Dear students, the topic for today's discussion is problems due to the over-exploitation of the energy resources. I am Dr. F. A. Lone, professor in the Division of Environmental Sciences, Kast, Kashmir. First of all, we should know what we basically mean by over-exploitation. Over-exploitation means overuse or over-harvesting of something, and it also refers to the harvesting a renewable resource to the point of diminishing returns. And it also means the act of using too much of something, especially a natural resource like minerals, forests, coal, etc., that exists in a place and can be used by the people. And this man's over exploitation of the earth's resources has led to more and more environmental problems threatening the food security and livelihood issues of the people. Now, what are the different problems due to the over exploitation of the energy resources? Number one is the extinction of the resources. It has been observed that many of these non-renewable sources of energy like crude oil, coal, natural gas, etc., they are continuously depleting and thus may cause problems in future. Because once they get depleted, so in future we may not be having these types of the energy. Then pollution also. Overuse of the energy resources results in the emission of different pollutants like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide, particulate matter, etc., and heavy metals. And these cause air pollution and thus affecting human health and related problems like acid rains, ozone depletion, and smog, etc. Then we also face, due to the over exploitation of energy, one of the most important issues in the world now, that's global warming. And you must be knowing that greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxides are released in various industries and they may lead to the climate change. Economic effects also, because these resources will be depleted, the cost will increase and it will seriously affect the economy and the development of a particular nation. Need for the development of new technology is one more problem which may face due to the over exploitation of energy, because due to the overuse of energy resources, the technology used for utilization of conventional resources will become obsolete. So new technology has to be developed using alternate fuels, thus causing future technological challenges. Then environmental impact due to mineral extraction, mining, and processing of coal and minerals have considerable impact on water, air, and biological resources. Mining activity can cause a considerable loss of land due to chemical contamination and destruction of protective layer of soils. Loss to wildlife. There may be considerable loss of wildlife habitat. Huge quantity of debris may spoil the aesthetic value of the regions. Deforestation and degradation of the land. The topsoil and vegetation are cleared from mining area to get access to the deposit, and such large scale deforestation and degradation leads to the ecological imbalance, and they also result in different types of the land as land use and land coverages at a particular place. Then surface water pollution also. Coal mines drain waste contaminants to nearby rivers, streams, and lakes, and such contaminated water is detrimental for aquatic life, plants, and people who consume this contaminated water. Then we have got noise pollution also, blasting activities, and also in industries and transporting vehicles, they cause noise disturbances to local residents and wildlife. And then overuse also leads to the creation of urban heat islands and heat waves, because once the population gets increased, that means you need more energy, and such aspects are very, very essential for the creation of the urban heat lines as well as the heat waves. Then occupational hazards also. Most of the miners, they suffer from various respiratory and skin diseases due to continuous exposure to suspended particulate matter and exotic and toxic substances. And there are some diseases like silicosis, asbestosis, and other diseases which are basically found in those areas where the people are working in the mines. Then change in the land use associated with the production of the foul odors. Then we have also got the manufacturing of the photovoltaic cells, which are mostly produced by for making the solar energy. So they may also be very harmful for the environment. Then the burning of the biomass, it results in the generation of harmful gases and also particulate matter like PM1, PM2.5, PM4, and PM10 particles. And these particles are regarded as the dangerous health hazards. And also the ash which is being produced due to the burning of the coal and biomass is another unwanted waste that causes disposal issues due to its heavy metal contents. Although, so far as the hydropower is concerned, we do not get any air or water pollution out of it, but it severely impacts the fish population. It causes the relocation of the people and animals living near the dam sites. Moreover, it also changes the water temperature, which may not be good for the aquatic fauna. And then definitely, once we are accessing where we are going for the excessive use of the energy, that means there will be the involvement of the high investment costs. Thank you, students, for watching this video. All the best. Take care.